Welcome to a new section focusing on data serialization and transfer using the JSON module. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a common format used for transmitting data between a server and a web application. Its human-readable, text-based format makes it indispensable for modern programming. 1. What is JSON? JSON is a lightweight data interchange format. It is essentially text organized as key-value pairs, very similar to Python dictionaries. Because it is language-independent, it is used everywhere to exchange data between different programming languages. 2. Python's JSON module. The standard JSON module in Python provides all the necessary tools to work with JSON data. Crucially, JSON data, when received or read, is initially just a string of characters in Python. We need the JSON module to convert this string into usable Python objects like dictionaries or lists. 3. Serialization and deserialization. There are two core concepts in this process. First, serialization converts a Python object like a dictionary into a JSON formatted string. In Python, this is called dumping the data, often done with json.dumps. Second, deserialization converts a JSON formatted string back into a Python object, which is called loading the data, done with json.load. 4. Python to JSON type mapping. It is important to know which Python types map to which JSON types. Python dictionaries become JSON objects. Lists and tuples become JSON arrays. Simple data types like strings and numbers convert directly, and Python's none becomes the JSON null keyword. To summarize, the JSON module is essential for working with web data. Next, we will use json.loads to parse a JSON string into a usable Python dictionary. Our next lecture 40.02, Parse JSON. See you there.